Best deals.
1. Organizer. Designed specifically for tableware, this rack is perfect for storing condiments, spices, sauces, and countertop cutlery. The open design of the rack allows for quick and convenient access to your condiments and cutlery. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pot holder. Organize pots, pans, and lids with 8 adjustable tiers to create a tidy and spacious kitchen. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fruit stand. The twist and fold mechanism allows the platter to collapse into a compact size, making it easy to store in any kitchen cabinet without taking up much space. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Vegetable storage basket. Ideal storage solution for all your stuff, either fruits, vegetables or other edibles, stationery. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Metal trolley. Maximize your kitchen space with this 5-tier vegetable storage stand, perfect for organizing onions, potatoes, fruits, and kitchen essentials in one place. Designed for effortless movement, this vegetable trolley features smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to shift it anywhere in your home or kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Plate rack. Manufactured with nano coating technology which enhance the durability and life of the product. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Desk organizer. All office document folders would be organized by the vertical file holder. The paper tray organizer is very suitable for storing books, magazines, letters, and A4 paper. The drawer organizer and hanging pen holder enough accommodate all office supply accessories, such as pens, pencils, scissors, and so on. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dish drying rack. Perfect for large families, double-tier and matching utensil storage accessories design can help you effectively solve the problem of kitchen clutter. It also looks modern and elegant, so it's just a perfect part of your kitchen, equipped with a removable drain tray for quick and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Plastic storage drawer. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe, plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, makeup, kitchen essentials, and more. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Countertop organizer. Wood surface with nicely curved metal frame adds elegance to tabletops. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Its compact footprint fits snugly on countertops or under sinks, making it the ideal solution for small kitchens or crowded spaces. By utilizing vertical space, it allows you to keep your essentials organized and within easy reach without cluttering your countertop. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Organizer. The 5-tier kitchen storage rack is a sturdy white round basket convenient to hold your pantry items. It has lockable rolling wheels that make it more comfortable to access the things kept in it. As it has 360-degree movement, it makes it easy to use and move. The vegetable stand is made up of rust-free sturdy iron. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Drawers. This drawers for storage unit offers great capacity, perfect for organizing various items, even your makeup or cosmetics items for your dressing room. It is ideal for keeping your kitchen, kids' room, or any space tidy, can be used in multiple settings. Whether you need it in your kitchen, bedroom, or kids' room, it adapts to your storage needs. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Microwave stand. Made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and strong load capacity for OTG ovens, microwaves, and kitchen accessories, built with reinforced steel, capable of holding heavy appliances like OTG ovens, convection microwaves, and kitchen utensils without bending or wobbling. The reinforced base and anti-skid rubber pads keep this microwave rack stand steel stable. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. File tray. 4-layer step design, provides easy access and visibility for organizing files, magazines, notebooks, and documents. Made of high-quality black metal mesh for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish rack. With drainer comes with expandable tray. The main department of the shelf can organize bowls, plates, cups, mugs, pot lid, pans. The detachable cutlery box can hold chopsticks. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Wooden spice rack. Meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, the elegant design features a stunning gold matte frame that adds a touch of glamour. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Water dispenser stand. Premium quality bushes are used to ensure a scratch-free experience on the floor of your home or office. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sliding drawers. 2-level sliding storage baskets for convenience in the kitchen, bathroom, office, workshop, and more. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Spice rack. Made from durable carbon steel, this rotating vegetable rack is waterproof, rust-proof, and built to last. Its sturdy design ensures stability, making it perfect for organizing kitchen essentials in a clutter-free way. Equipped with 360-degree rotating casters, keeps fruits and vegetables fresh and odor-free. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Tray organizer. This revolving tray is made of carbon metal that is rust-resistant and durable. It has a non-slip base that prevents it from sliding or tipping over. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Dish drying rack. Has a durable plastic drainboard and premium stainless steel which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Keep your counters clutter-free and your dishware perfectly organized with the kitchen drying rack. This 2-tier design offers the perfect solution for storing a variety of kitchenware while maximizing your counter space. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Storage rack. The multipurpose storage shelf is very easy to assemble with no tools required. Can be unassembled and stored conveniently when not required. It has strong fixing and hard to remove, so no worry about it coming out. Ideal for closets, kitchens, bathrooms, garages, laundry rooms in homes, apartments and even offices. Product link is given in the 24th link.